Canada is there. Wait. Doesn't it just make him eat the whole plate? Wait. It's stuck! What the? How are we supposed to get it? It's actually stuck. What are you doing this? What the hell? Yes! Maybe another that pop up and yep, I have. What? He wants Nemo? There's no Nemo in here. Ducky. I accidentally sent it to. Wait, what if I just send all the fishes to Jesus itself? Nope, nope, nope. You can't have it. No. See ya. There's no more Nemo. Just eat it already. Come on. What? No, no. No, no, no. No. Come on. What? What? This is the weirdest game ever. I think it's stuck permanently forever. Maybe this guy. What? Who knew fishes could be literally can go through other fishes? Wait, you just need to. No, I'm not feeding you bones. I'm literally gonna be feeding. You see, I already gave him a bone. This stuck in the most weird way. Don't question it. I need to feed the doggy this. Come on. Come on, go in there. Head? No. No, it's what? How did I got level completed? Wait, lad. I don't understand what he wants. That? Wait. Dun 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 dun. Turn it off. Turn. Come on to his nostril. I think I filled them up a little bit too much, but still I don't care. Take that container instead. The ramen noodle. Take it. Come on, eat it. Eat it. I guess he's not gonna. What? He wasn't gonna eat it. This is the weirdest game I've ever seen. Please, no ad. Please. Please. What? No, no, no. This is the weirdest game. Wait a second. Take this out and put it, shove it right in the mouth. Shove it. Now. Shove it in the mouth. Not this. This no, please, no. Yes, yes. Wait, what have I just... What have I done? Come on, shove it in his mouth. Wait, that's it. I can't do it. need to refresh. Now just shove it into his mouth. Shove two in his mouth. I can't. I'm not gonna lie, this is. Don't you dare escape. No, come on. No. Get in there. No, not the same thing again. You just need to get one. Well, that's embarrassing. Add. You know what the hell? I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty cursed. No, I'm gonna feed you infinity. Wait. Whoa. No. Sorry, kid, but no. Yeah. Come on. No, yes. Dun. Maybe add. Never mind. We will just launch it into space. Boom. Did I do it? Add. Okay, I'm back because the ad happened. Wait, can I grab the human? Come on. Wait, I can move the human. Yeah, this is the best thing ever. I can move the human. What is this? What the hell? I can literally move the human. I was literally moving the human. Okay, this one I won't. Sure you want it, buddy? Are you sure? Put in his nostril. His nostril. Come on, shove it in there. Not there. That's the lame spot. And here is the cool spot. Come on, you can do it, buddy. Come on. Go in there. Don't give up. Shoo. Nope, that one. Somewhere. Come on. You can do it. Why are they so bad about going into nostrils? Yes. No. Fine. I can't make this guy go up. Yes, come on. No, don't do that. Come on. No. I'll get the third one in. Wait, how did I did this? That's OP. No, all of them. He's a spiky nose. Can I crack it already? Bruce, give it to okay, yes, yes, yes. No. Yes. No. Guess that. What? I'm gonna feed you the lollipop. Wait, let me shove it into your mouth. Come on, go in there. Go in there. Go in. Don't let it touch it. Go in there. Wait, I like black fish. Isn't that racism? What the hell? This game is racist. There's not even a single black fish. Can I move this character? Come on. Come on, move him. Maybe from behind. Sneak attack from behind. Wait, what happened to the cheese? To the cheesy. That's all I have to do, really? Yup, other. Okay, this last one, and it will be end of the video. The carrot just... I do feel like I need a video right now. So see you guys. I'll see you guys. I'll make more content about this. I even tell you the name. Even only if we hit like a